welcome to the Me Show. Wanna talk about me, wanna talk about Maddie, wanna talk about Elise and life all together. Woo! It's the Me Show.
Yay, okay.
Right, so as you can see, we are in Laguna Beach, California.
So beautiful here, and we have already met some really cool people. Like those guys over there. Beautiful family of 4.
Actually, we haven't met them. We just
We're gonna go and meet some people right now.
Yep.
Go talk to them, Maddie. I'm going to say hi.
Okay, go run by someone and say hi.
Who? Wait, I'm gonna run by those people over there. Or no, that guy.
Okay. Say hi to the little kid.
Hi guys. How do you like the beach?
They're scared of you.
They don't like me.
Oh, wow. Here's the water. It's kind of cold, but once you get in, it's pretty nice. Oh, there goes Elise. It's pretty cold. Okay, bad idea. Don't take the camera. Don't take the camera.
Maddie, there is it.
Okay. There goes Elise. I know what she's gonna be up to. So we just got into Laguna Beach yesterday. Yeah, and today's our first day at the beach. First it's cloudy, but now it's sunny. I know what she's gonna do. Run back, run back. Can't get the camera wet, that'd be bad. Hey, she's waving. Yeah, Elise, Elise. Oh, wow. She's pretty funny. Yeah. You okay? Yeah. So, see, there's the crest. I wonder how she felt. This is a strange man. Strange man. Uh-oh, big wave. Sort of. See, that was pretty small, but... Come on, Elise, come out! Found some seaweed. Elise, come out! Come out! Come out!
Go out?
Come out!
Oh, no.
Wow, Elise sent her. See, these are some of the condo type thingies. Ours is over there. It's like one of these, but cooler. Some people walking by.
They're cool people.
Yep.
Now we're gonna walk along the beach.
Yep, we're gonna walk along the
Baywatch.
Okay, so
Here's Maddie.
hey.
She's a hoe. Just kidding, Maddie. We love you.
We're gonna write in the sand.
We're gonna write something. It's gonna be cool.
Hey.
Oh. Ah, here comes the water.
Art.
Hey. Ho. Woo. Hey ho. Hey ho. All right. What we're gonna do now is
We're gonna interview some people on how they like Laguna Beach.
go find someone to interview.
Find some. Use someone. You interview them.
I'll interview them. Find someone. Okay, we're gonna interview someone.
Those two over there.
All right.
Alright. So Lisa's gonna go interview them. Here she goes. No, don't interrupt their playing. Let's ask someone else. Let's ask
That was fun.
That was interesting.
That was great. He was a cool guy, Bill. So, that's it for today's episode. Remember,
show.
say hello to Bill and
Yep, Bill.
bye.
Bye. See how long you can do this? What? See how long you can keep it running?
What?
See how long you can keep it running?
What now? What?
I didn't end it.
End it.
Okay.